Historically, textiles and embroidery have been labeled as women's work and dismissed as inferior compared to painting and sculpture. But I think art has little to do with crafts, with the skill of making things with the hands. I am using delicate materials because my work is coming out of an intimate approach to the world. I see sewing not as a means to decorate, but as a sensible tool that is capable of uniting, fixing mistakes, and repairing something in order to give a new life and a new meaning. Probably the first thing you will notice in my work is the relationship to the material, but in reality my questions are not material at all. The subject of my art does not finish on the image level. My subjects are ideas and emotions. Although I am using different mediums to create my art, stitching is the means that I use as a way to question the images I'm working with and to question my status as an artist.